Hello everyone, this is chapter 1 Scientific Learning. This is not the explanatory video, this is just a simple dictation of every slide. Slide 1. What is scientific learning? Scientific learning is the process of acquiring knowledge and understanding about the natural world through the application of scientific methods, tests and principles. For instance, if you are curious about how plant grows in different environmental conditions, you can conduct an experiment by planting seeds in a different condition to see how they grow best. In the figure aside, you can see different factors affecting the growth of plants. Slide 2. What are the integral parts of scientific learning? Exploring, investigating, observing, experimenting, that is testing, and analyzing are the integral parts of scientific learning. Example of explore. How can different factors such as sunlight, water can have impacts on plant growth? Investigate. You can investigate what is the importance of different factors on plant growth. Observe. You can observe which plants at what condition grew the best. Experiment. You can experiment what will happen at what condition. Analyze. You can analyze that sunlight and water plays crucial role in plant growth. Slide 3. Why is scientific learning important? Scientific learning is important because it helps us in discovering how things work, why things behave the way they do, and how things are interconnected with one another. It also assists in applying knowledge to solve real-world problems. It fosters deeper understanding of natural world and the processes that govern it. It also contributes in advancement of science and technology. Slide 4. How is scientific learning done? Scientific learning is done through practical activity. Hence, practical activity is crucial part of scientific learning. So, what is practical activity? Practical activity is any hands-on activity done to learn about science, that is, to determine a specific objects within or outside a laboratory setting. There are different types of practical activity or work, such as exploratory work, experimentation work, surveying work, project work, research work, and model building work. Practical activity is composed of three components, that is, core activities, directly related activities, and complementary activities. What is core activities? The main hands-on activity such as fieldwork, laboratory techniques and procedure, investigations are the core activities. Directly related activities. The activities that are closely linked to the core activities such as demonstration, result analysis, drawing conclusions, data analysis are directly related activities. Complementary activities. The additional activities that support the core activities such as science-related group discussions, presentations, model building are the complementary activities. Objectives of practical activity. There are multiple objectives of practical activity which will be dictated in next slide. Objectives of practical activity. The objectives of practical activity are as follow, that is, understanding concept. To get a better and broad understanding of topic in science such as scientific concepts and theories. To develop skill. To develop essential scientific and practical skills such as observation, data analysis. Promoting critical thinking. To promote critical and analytic thinking as well as decision making. Fostering inquiry. Cultivating curiosity and independent exploration. Connecting theory and practices. Connecting scientific concepts to real world contexts. Encouraging collaboration. enhancing team working and communication skills, preparing for further study and career, that is, equipping students for advanced study and scientific careers. Slide 6. Slide 6 discusses about basic safety rules to follow. The basic safety rules should be followed in both inside or outside the laboratory settings while doing any kind of practical activity, which are as follows. Know the hazard. By understanding the potential dangers associated with the material and equipments in the laboratory via construction from manual and instructor, we can know the hazards. Wear appropriate attire. That is, tie your hair, use PPEs, which is also the shortcut of personal protective equipments such as lab coats, face masks, hand gloves, apron and closed shoes. Follow procedure. Adhere to established procedure and protocols for handling, storing and disposing of chemicals and material. Never deviate from these procedures unless authorized to do so. You must handle chemicals safely. Use chemicals in a well-ventilated area and avoid inhaling fumes or vapors. You should handle hazardous substances with care and never taste or smell chemicals. You should use equipments properly. That is, operate laboratory equipments according to instructions and with caution. You should ensure that equipment is in good working condition before use, and you should report any malfunctions or damage immediately. You should keep workspace organized. That is, you should prevent accidents and maintain cleanliness. You should know emergency procedures. That is, you should locate exits, safety showers and equipments. Slide 7. Slide 7 discusses about steps that are involved in scientific learning. The steps that are involved in scientific learning are as follows. Step 1. Observation. Step 2. Questionnaire, curiosity or research question. Step 3. Background research or literature review. Step 4. Hypothesis building. Step 5. Experimentation. Step 6. Hypothesis testing, which if correct, you should go for step 7, that is report writing. Hypothesis testing, if it is incorrect, you should go back to step 4, that is repeat from step 4. Thank you.